welcome back. Today I'm here with Kisslove Hair once again, same packaging as usual. So let's get into what we got today. I got a robe, I also got a bonnet, I got the wig, of course, a pair of HD wig caps, some lace tips, a pair of lashes, a razor, edge brush and comb, a elastic band, some more lace tips, and finally the wig of the day. This is Kisslove's brown highlight straight human hair wig, and it's pre-bleached and it has a drawstring in the back as well. It comes with those tapes at the sides of the lace, and I love when a drawstring is inside of the cap. It gives extra stability and it's great for beginners. Also, there's this adjustable strap which you can make tighter or looser based on your preference. I went ahead and I tightened it. Once you have a drawstring and an adjustable strap like that in your wig, trust, the perfect glueless combination. Yeah, did I mention it is glueless? So this is perfect for my beginners. So I went ahead, slipped it on. I removed the blue parts from the tape there, since we're doing a glueless install. So I made sure that this, pretty much adhered to the side there, so that, it wouldn't be, lifting or anything. And very easy, very to the point. And the lace is actually really nicely plucked. The hairline, that is, to be specific, it's very nicely plucked, very realistic looking. And I actually do love the color job as well. They did their thing with this color. I think it's perfect for fall as well. I did go in with a little bit of my melting spray, the PS Luxe Hair melting spray, which really helped with getting this lace super undetectable and making everything look even more realistic. So I just applied a tad bit of that, and then I went in with my Kisslove elastic headband and gave it some time to really dry down, maybe like 5-10 minutes, and you're good to go. Again, anybody can do this. You do not need to go to a salon. It's quite easy and doesn't take a long time to be installed at all.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
Once I was done with that, I went ahead, remove the elastic band, and I went in with just a little bit of powder to further camouflage the lace portion.
Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
I adjusted the drawstring in the back. Very easy. Again, you want to just pull it to how tight you want it to be. You adjust the first knob and you use the second knob to lock it in place to ensure that it doesn't slip from where you initially placed it. And once I'm done with that, I tug the string beneath the cap.
Hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So you guys saw I gave you a shake test. The wig is very stable on my head. You could feel free to go ahead and switch the parting up if you want to do a side parting, just like how I'm showing you guys that I parted it here at the side. You could switch it up into a side part. You could style it differently. Feel free to explore. So what I was doing here, I applied my wax to lay the roots of the hair even flatter. You know that I love when my wigs are laid. So I got my hot comb and just took my time to go through the front there, and I kept it in that bust down middle part. But as I said, you could feel free to go ahead and switch up your parting or style it differently. If you want to explore doing like a half up, half down, you can do that. So I just took my time to really go through this thoroughly.
stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose.
Guys, the way this is silky and smooth, I love it. So if you can go ahead and just rock this in its straight texture, it is gorgeous. I also got minimal shedding, so that's great, and it is also very full. Look at that body, it is full. Yeah, that's not something that you need to question. The density on this is perfect. So I wanted to explore a little bit more, so I went in with my curling iron afterwards to give this some nice, very loose body waves though, like nothing tight. I just wanted it very effortless looking body waves, and that's what I took my time to do. And I went through the entire wig with my curling iron to get this done.
Magic, no I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
That's it. That is it. Very easy to install, very easy to style. Kisslove, you did your thing. The quality on this wig is a 10. As I say, I love the density as well. The color job, just stunning. Okay, the direct link to this wig will be down below in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.